Hi, it's Mike with the Claim Squad Public Adjusters, and get the best results for your home owner's insurance claim, or get the best results for your home claim. This is the title of a blog that I saw from Florida Peninsula, what we call Florida Pen. They are a home insurance company located in Boca, and I tell you, I had to laugh when I read this. And so I'm going to go through with this and then actually tell you the reasons why this is all a bunch of crap and how they try to lure people into thinking and making you feel comfortable, and then you'll get screwed. You'll either get denied or your claim will be underpaid. And people don't know this. So this is great. I'm actually going to, it's basically what you're doing is taking a sheep or a wolf and putting sheep clothing over the wolf and leading them into the farm. It's quite comical. So here, I'll put it up. Step number 1, call your carrier first. Okay, I'm okay with that. I have absolutely no problems if you're going to file it. But remember, you got to be careful what you say when you're filing your claim, because you can actually hurt it. Okay, they talk about your deductible. All right, not a big deal. But number 2 is where it gets interesting. Wear and tear. Boy, they're setting everybody up for this one. Should your loss be the direct result of routine wear and tear or a lack of maintenance, the claim will be denied. So here's what they do with wear and tear. You have a water damage claim, your sink, it's a valve that's not new. They're going to say, guess what? Wear and tear. You have a roof claim, all right? And the roof is more than 5 years old, 10 years old. They're going to say, well, wear and tear. So, or the maintenance. So for roofs, they'll say, well, wasn't properly maintained, poor workmanship. Any water damage claim, they're going to say, well, you didn't maintain the lines or the valves. Number 3 is not a covered loss. Filing a claim when there is no coverage will impact your, and it actually cut off. But it's hilarious. So number 2 and number 3, not a covered loss. Filing a claim when there is an insurance when no coverage will impact. I imagine they're going to say will impact basically your claim history. So number 2 and number 3, they're already talking about denying you. Number 4, intentional acts. All right, I'm not worried about that. Step 2, report the claim, the date of loss severity, contact information. Not a big deal. Number 3, what to expect. Okay, so that isn't too bad. They talk about photos, receipts, communication, conversation with your adjuster, settlement offer. They make it sound so simple. So to be determined that your loss is covered by your homeowner's policy, a settlement offer will follow. Review the settlement offer with your adjuster and address any concerns prior to agreeing on the offer. People, that never happens. You just can't call up these adjusters and say, oh, hey, let's discuss my offer. Okay, you're $10,000. Well, it's costing me $38,000 to fix it. So according to this blog, it says, let's review the settlement offer, and here's my concern. My concern is not enough money. So what are you going to do? Well, you're going to have to deal with it and settle with it if that's what you want. So this is why, and then the last paragraph, for many, the claims process can be intimidating. However, it does not have to be if you call your carrier first and take the time to evaluate the best options. Sounds pretty. They sweeten it up a little bit, right? Make it look like no big deal. Call us, tell us your story, give us all the evidence, review your offer with your adjuster, and we'll see if the offer is good enough. But they kind of tell you right from the beginning that more than likely they're going to deny your claim. And more than likely, that's what I see quite often. So with that being said, let me tell you the real ways on how to get the best settlement. Briefly, I have a couple videos that talk about this. So number one, what you need to do is when you report the claim, be brief. If it's a water damage claim, I've said this on my other water damage videos, tell them it recently happened, just happened. You don't want to say the water damage occurred months ago, or it's been going on for a long time, or it's been constant or repeated. No, can't say that. All right, keep things brief. Where's the damage? In the kitchen. What exactly? You know, I have to get somebody to look at it better. I'm not really sure. Roof damage claims. Can you tell us what's damaged? Yeah, the roof and the interior of the house. Where at? Well, living room, dining room, what? Ceilings. That's it. You keep everything brief. When the adjuster comes out, I would rather you not be around. Have a friend, neighbor, somebody else. Let this individual in to do their inspection and make sure you're not there. I had one today. This adjuster went beyond. I had the insured have their son come to let the adjuster in. The adjuster was upset because the insured wasn't there. Oh well, that's life. He wanted to ask questions because she has two claims. What was damaged from one, what was damaged for the other? And so I kind of laughed because the insured called me panicking. Oh, he said he's going to send this to a special investigative unit, and he said that he was mad because he wanted to know. No. He could call me. I'll tell him what's damaged on the first claim and second claim. What he wanted to do is trip her up. What he wanted to do was have a reason to deny one or both of the claims. They already paid some on the first claim, but he wants to deny the second one, saying, well, it's just repeat damage. This is why I told her not to be there. Okay, so that'd be step 2. Don't be there at the inspection. Number 3, if you're going to try to settle your claim, make sure you're trying to settle a claim that's less than $10,000. Anything over $10,000, I would get help. Okay. Under $10,000, just have all your receipts, contractors, estimates, so on and so forth. But remember, if you have a contractor's estimate for $7,500, they're probably going to offer you $5,000. So what am I saying? Go with the more expensive contractor's estimate. And then from there, make sure you have photos, make sure you have anything that can help your cause. And then those are pretty simple steps. Not everything specifically, but pretty simple 3 steps on how you can get your claim. The other thing is, don't really make phone calls, send emails and document everything. If you're not computer savvy or not really familiar on sending emails, I would recommend you learn with an insurance claim, have somebody help you, because you want to document everything in case it's a bad faith claim or they don't treat you fairly, and you can show that to a public adjuster that can then help you from there. Alrighty, so just a quick video. I had a laugh, and it was pretty hilarious when I saw this Florida Peninsula get the best results for your claim, but it's actually not really how you get the best results for your claim. Anyhow, this is Mike with the Claim Squad Public Adjusters. Thanks for watching this video.